MULN stock analysis from tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Mullen Automotive stock is a buy or not for me. I'm the only guy in the space with 41,000 videos made. It's taken me 5 years, but at least, you know, just for context, I've seen what's working for me, what's not. And you can check my YouTube channel if you don't believe me. But even with this, I have so much receipts, so many receipts in my Discord. Not just from here, like even from ranging back from 2023. And all that to say is this is just such a crazy bull bearish market for me. I know we have like a reverse split on top of a reverse split, but all that is to say is that it just keeps melting, man. I don't know like how many reverse splits we're going to go under, but it's still currently a bearish range for me, bearish market. And I'm not saying this in a bad way, just saying the truth, you know. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K from my trading, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails. I will continue to keep you updated. But even when I say it's a bearish market, I do not mean that I'm going to straight up jump in and sell. I'm just observing. There's far better setups. So